Welcome everyone. As Christmas approaches and the world fills with lights and celebration, I wanted to share a different kind of light, the one that has been shining long before any holiday began. Today, I'm taking you on a quiet journey to the heart of our sky, the sun, captured through my own telescope. What you're seeing right now isn't animation. It's not CGI, this is the real surface of the sun. Those fiery shapes, those swirling textures, and those bright, pulsing waves are massive storms of energy happening millions of miles away. Every tiny movement you see is bigger than our whole planet. It's a reminder of how powerful, beautiful, and mysterious our universe really is. We often think of Christmas lights as magical, but the sun is the very reason we have seasons, warmth, and life. Its light grows our food, shapes our days, and gives color to everything we see. And for a moment, as you watch these bright details, I want you to imagine the ancient connection between this glowing star and every tradition we celebrate today. Long before cities, long before electricity, long before Christmas trees, the sun was humanity's first light of hope. Through my telescope, I get to see details most people never get a chance to witness with their own eyes. Every time I point my lens at the sun, I feel a mix of awe and respect because this star is not gentle. It's a roaring ocean of fire, constantly moving, constantly changing, constantly reminding us how small we truly are, and yet how lucky we are to be alive under its glow. So as you watch this footage, take a deep breath and enjoy the moment. In a world full of noise, busy days, and rushing steps, there is something peaceful about looking at something so ancient, so powerful, and so constant. A Christmas moment of stillness from 150 million kilometers away. If you're enjoying this journey, I'd love to take you on many more. I share the sky, the stars, the planets, and every beautiful thing my telescope discovers. So don't forget to like the video, drop a comment, and most importantly subscribe to the channel. Your support truly helps this community grow. Thank you for watching, Merry Christmas, and as always, keep looking up.